Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at the Toyota CHR relay and fuse box, and in here we're going to view all the fuse. At the top here are two clips and one at the bottom, so we need to kind of like push it in with two clips like this, and then another one down here, and then we can take off the fuse box cover. In here you'll be able to view all the fuse box. So these are the configuration of the fuse box, so it's quite handy if you have messed around with the fuse here. They all have different numbers, so they all have different capacity, so you want to make sure they are placed in the correct order. Now here we've got 20 and then 10. So let me get a good focus in for you. So here we've got 20, 10, 10, and then we've got 50, 30, and 30 right here. Sorry, of the reflection, it's a bit hard to see. And from the reflection, here we've got 30, and then you've got 10, 20, and 30. Next down here, this one right here, we've got 30, 30, and 50. 30, 30, and 50 on this red one here. And for the green one, this is number 40, and then you got 10 right here, and 30, 10, and 30. On this middle compartment we've got 10, 15, 10, 10, 15, 15, 10, 5, and 10. So that is your fuse box configuration on the Toyota CHR 2023, so very recent. And here is the box instruction. So if you want, you can take a picture of this. So just freeze the video and take a picture. And there is also a clip. You use this clip to remove the fuse. So this clip here, you can take it out, and this will allow you to remove the fuse within here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.